Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. In today's session, most of the stocks gapped up and we had all bearish stocks. Still, let me see what really happened. Stock number one was Hindustan Zinc at 294. As you can see, there was huge gap up opening. It was a theme across stocks and index. Let me copy that. Capped up. Moving on to Granules India at 264 rupees. Where is Granules again? Huge gap up opening. Moving on to Aurobindo Pharma at 599. Once again, there was no chance of a breakout, and I'm going to finish it off with TVS Motors at 613 rupees. Again, no chance whatsoever. Stock number one for Monday's session, that is on 28th February 2022, is Alembic Pharma. I am going to draw one very popular pattern. This is a wedge pattern, rather a falling wedge pattern. As you can see, the deeper we go inside the wedge pattern, the narrower is the range, which means buyers and sellers are fighting out for the breakout either from support or resistance. Look at the base, that is support of this wedge pattern. We have four consecutive bullish candles with decent range along with rising volume activity. If the breakout happens, we have to find out earliest resistance level, and let me do that. I cannot find it earlier than 770 rupees, and the current market price is hovering around 725 rupees. We have one more well-known pattern called a inside bar. This is a two candlestick price action pattern. The first candle is a long range bearish candle and followed by extremely small candle. Here in this particular scenario, it is a bearish one. The second candle should be engulfed within the long range first candle. This denotes continuation. So if we sell Apollo tyres below the low from today's session, that is 184, it is highly likely that sellers will vie for the low of this long range bearish candle, which is around 177 rupees. On the daily chart of Exide Industries, we have a channel pattern. Let me draw it out as concisely as possible. So this is a channel pattern, and if you closely look at last two candles, the last candle, that is today's candle, is a bullish candle, and above these two candles we have a gap around 152 rupees. So when you see price or stock gapping down and then trying to go up, it usually fills the gap and thereafter either it finds resistance at that particular level or it goes up by maybe 2 to 3 rupees and then comes down. And we will take advantage of this proven price action pattern and will buy Exide Industries above 150 rupees. We have one more inside bar pattern on the daily chart of Mazda. We can call it inside day pattern as well. I'm not going to explain the same thing again and again. So the wick at the top end of today's candle has made sure that the prevailing buying pressure is rooted out, and if stock price of Mazda goes below the low from today's session, it is highly likely that the low of the long range bearish candle, that is at 470 rupees, should be taken down. I have chalked out all the levels that you will need while trading aforementioned stocks. I will also share a screenshot of these levels in my Telegram channel. Please be mindful and don't be reckless with your hard earned money. Thank you so much for watching.